Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, a Two Stars Sudoku. In additional, not in today's newspaper, on Wednesday, December the 27th, 2023. 4 days to go till end of this year. No, it's the edition of Thursday, December the 21st, 2023. We have 3 puzzles left. One puzzle is already solved, the letter Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the Two Stars Sudoku. Yeah, you are interested in the Two Stars Sudoku. Number 7691. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 30 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the Two Stars puzzle has 26 printed digits. This puzzle has 4 digits more. For Two Stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I think it's a 0 stars puzzle because it has more than 26 printed digits. For 0 stars puzzle, you need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes. Yeah. Alright. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the second column. So third column, the only place left on 3. Should be there. The 3 in this column. The 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left on 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. And now, let me see. The 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, 2. Okay. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the last row. 9 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 4, 5, 7. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 6. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. The 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay, 9, 9. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. I need a 6 here, okay. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. 7. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there, okay. Yeah. Thinking. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 8, 8. Okay. Alright. And now, need a 1 here. Need a 9 there. Okay. And now, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, need a 5 here, cannot continue with the 5 now. How about the 2 and the 7? Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left, and the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the middle row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. The 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 9 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row. 9 in the second row. So the third row. Only place left for 9 should be there. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. The 1 in this row. The 1 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2. The 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4. 1 and 4 cannot fill this yet. One box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 4 and 6, we have a 6 now in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so that column, the only place left with 4 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there, finish in 10 minutes. Wow. Told you, need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes. Definitely 0 stars. But we solved again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.